Tiomos, the hinge line that covers every application and outperforms all other hinge lines. Whether you're doing standard or wide-angle doors, with soft close or without, full overlay to inset, face frame or frameless, Tiomos has the correct setup and solution for your door. Tiomos is offered in 4 hinge cranks. The full crank accommodates overlays up to 15/16 of an inch. The overlay hinge allows for those interim setups. Our half crank for those minimal overlay requirements, and our inset hinges. With Tiomos design technology, minimal reveals are possible, of less than 1 millimeter on 110 degree and 0 millimeters on 160 degree. Grass has the most updated adjustment features on our hinges and plates. A full complement of plates ranging from 0 millimeters to 21 millimeters with worm screw adjustment. This allows for precise adjustments that maintain their settings. Tiomos is the only hinge line to offer a complete program in soft close and self close. Looking for a 120 degree with soft close? A blind corner hinge in self close? A positive or negative angle hinge with both? Tiomos has the solution. Grass Tiomos, with its adjustable soft close feature, allows you to achieve the ever stringent requirement of today's consumer. Available in both a 42 millimeter and 45 millimeter drilling pattern, screw-on or doweled for easy hinge insertion, and our increasingly popular Impresso toolless series. You can rest assured Tiomos will have the application that fits your needs. Today's cabinetry has many requirements. Tiomos is the only hinge line that meets these challenges. If you haven't explored the many options of Tiomos, contact Grass and schedule a full demo for the most advanced hinge system available today. Thank you.